Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss a simple way to determine that a bullish trend is weakening. A simple way to determine that a bullish trend is weakening. All right. So isn't it good to know that a trend is weakening, that a bullish trend is weakening, especially if you are an ordinary investor buying and hold stocks, buying shares, all right, in the financial market? Wouldn't it be good to know that, to have a bit of idea that the bullish trend that has begun is now becoming a little bit weak, all right? Another reason why we want to know whether a bullish trend is weakening is also good for traders that want to trade a reversal. Now, one warning before we continue. When a trend is weakening, it doesn't mean that the trend has ended. So a trend that has been in place for some time may become a little bit weak, okay, which means it's running out of fuel, which means the bullish trend may become a little bit weak, but may only be weak for a short period of time, and then the trend may resume. But sometime, when a bullish trend is already in place, the beginning of the weakness may signal, okay, the end of the trend. So it is important for bullish traders to have a bit of idea how to determine that a bullish trend is weakening. For those reasons, we use a simple but powerful trading tool that we call the pitchfork tool. A lot of traders, day traders, swing traders, scalpers, position traders, do not use the pitchfork tool. I wonder why. What is stopping you to use the pitchfork tool? Have you been forgetting to use the pitchfork tool, or you don't know how to use the pitchfork tool? Well, if you do not know how to use the pitchfork tool, subscribe to our channel, Day Pro Traders, and check out the videos on YouTube that has been posted by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right, so on my chart here, you can see that there was a trend, the price going now. This is a trend. In fact, the trend has started here for some time. And now we have, at this point in time, professionals already know that this trend is weakening. All right, it's weakening. So generally, according to the definition of an uptrend, in an uptrend, a healthy bullish trend will continue to display higher lows and higher highs until it failed to display a new higher high. At that point in time, the price will come out of the rising channel and we try to retest, okay, that rising channel, indicating to us that the bullish momentum is weakening. As I mentioned already, when a bullish trend may become weak temporary and then the trend may resume. So when a bullish trend is weakening, it doesn't mean that the trend has ended. It may pause for some months and then will continue again. But it's good to know when to buy, which will help us to time the market. So if you have been buying this stock and hold for some time, and you see that now it's getting weak, you don't want to stop buying and hold, yes or no? Or if you're a bullish technical trader, you want to stop buying it. So you will say, okay, the fundamentals are still good, all right? Everybody still want to buy this stock, but I don't want to buy it now. I will wait when the trend is strengthening again. But right now, it doesn't look strong anymore. Isn't it good to know how to determine that a bullish trend is weakening on any time frame? So we use the pitchfork tool. So you see here, the price went up here, and then you pull back. We don't want it to pull back 100%. We don't want to pull back to the beginning of the first move. This is the first move. This is the second move. So when it's pulling back, we don't want to pull back all the way here. We just want it to go up a bit and then pull back. So we use 3 points. The first point is the beginning of the first move. And the second point is the end of the first move. And the third point is the end of the third move. With those 3 points, we use the pitchfork. We put the pitchfork to there. All right. And now you can see that The ultimate role of the pitchfork tool is to determine the possible path that the bullish financial instrument is likely to take. So if the bullish momentum is intact, it will remain within the boundaries of the pitchfork tool. Now, if it comes below that, a pitchfork tool, that rising pitchfork tool is indicating to us that, the bullish momentum is weakening. The bullish trend is weakening. Here it is right here. This is the first indication to technical traders that are using the pitchfork tool to know that, this financial instrument is weakening. I have not finished yet. I have another financial instrument I want to show you, and I have more things to share with you. So sometimes traders watch part of the video and they miss the important part of the video. All right. So I'm going to check out the Dow Jones. Or you may say, Joe, you're talking about the same thing. So here we are, the Dow Jones. Here it is. There was this first move here. And the end of that first move is right. Oh, I'm moving line that I do not want to move. Here we are. So this is the end of the first move. And this is the end of the second move. We did not go all the way to the beginning of the first move. With those 3 points we draw, we use our pitchfork tool. This is my orange pitchfork tool. Can you see it? Okay, let me change the color a little bit. Which color should I use now so you or everybody can see it on the channel? A really funny, bright color. Light green. Can you see the light green pitchfork tool? Too many green lines. Okay, change it to orange. You see the pitchfork tool. That's the turquoise pitchfork tool. Can you see it? All right. So one more time. Let's try black. Oops. Okay, I'll use red. Hopefully everybody can see red. Red it is. See the red pitchfork tool is now on my chart. All right, here it is. So now you can see that the Dow Jones Industrial Average was, well, it was inside the bullish trend, inside the boundaries of the pitchfork tool. So the first indicating to us that the bullish trend for the Dow Jones is weakening is right here. You see, it came out of the pitchfork tool and now it retested here on the edge. But there's something very interesting has happened here. You can see that this is what I'm telling you. Though this bullish trend was weakening because the price came out of the initial pitchfork tool, the price did not form, a new lower low. We are comparing this low here. I don't want to move any more of my precious line. So there was this low first, but as it formed this lower high in comparison to this one here, all right, a lower high in comparison to this one here. As it formed this lower high, it tried to go down. It did not form a new lower low. Though the trend, the bullish trend for the Dow Jones was weak at this point in time, it was a temporary weakness. So it still tried, it didn't form here a new lower low in comparison to the first low here. But it's still out of, the pitchfork tool. Is a weakness of this bullish trend. Will it return back inside the pitchfork tool and continue the trend up to the zone of 20769? That is the question. But let's go back to our first financial instrument that we are looking at. So there is many ways that we can determine that, a bullish trend is weakening. One more thing I will say about the pitchfork tool, that's what I said to you, you must watch the full length of all our videos so you may get everything out of it. Squeeze every juice out of our videos, all right? This to make you laugh a bit. So now, normally, if you see the trend will begin a little bit low in the lower part, you see the pitchfork tool is divided in two parts, the upper part of the pitchfork tool and the lower part of the pitchfork tool. As usually, what we usually see, you see, it starts from the lower part of the pitchfork tool, and then it will become stronger. So when a bullish trend is becoming stronger, it switch from the lower part of the pitchfork tool to the upper side of the pitchfork tool. A normal, healthy bullish trend will stay in most part on the upper part of the pitchfork tool. Some bullish stocks that are dynamically bullish will even cross above the pitchfork tool, indicating to us that the bullish momentum is reaching the maximum point. It will switch from the upper side above the pitchfork tool, indicating to us that the trend is quite strong. But it doesn't mean buy forever. All right, doesn't mean buy forever. All right, doesn't mean buy forever. Okay, but in all cases, all I want to talk about today is a simple way to determine that a bullish trend is weakening. Remember that a trend that is weakening is not indicative that okay, the trend is ending. It's just indicating to us that the trend is weakening. It may be a temporary weakness, and then the trend may resume. Another thing I need to say to traders, when we are using this method, we want to apply it to trending phase, all right, not corrective phase as such, but a trending phase, because it's a trending phase. This move here down here is a corrective phase of this trending phase. We leave it there. Okay, so this is a simple way to determine a bullish trend is weakening. You have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and of course I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about a simple way to determine that a bullish trend is weakening. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.